How to blur background in Instagram story. So first is go to the home tab of your Instagram application. Click on your story or swipe left. Once the story camera opens, keep on swiping right on the circular menu bar until you find the browse effects option. Press on the button in order to open the effect gallery. Hit the search icon at the top and type in blurred background in the search bar. When the results have loaded, tap to load the blurred background and load the effect. As soon as the camera window opens, the effect will be applied. Once you capture your photo or your video, you can then use stickers, text, and other effects to design your story. If the story is ready, press on your story to share it. So that is how you use the blur background on Instagram story. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.